Burnout time for 119.
Welcome.
Episode 119.
Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Yes.
He's Chris.
That's Aaron.
And we're here today
Yes.
for 119. So, on tonight's episode, Chris is going to take out the DR10 and we're going to make some passes with some other drag cars just to see the difference of how well this awesome little drag machine really
We're going to put it up against a drag converted slash.
Yeah. So, it's just going to have a 3500 kV Millennium versus the 3300 kV motor that comes stock on this. It is going to have a little bit of a different speed control. This does come with the Hobby Wing XR8 SCT.
Yes.
Sorry.
Which I put in. It does not have the stock one anymore.
Yeah. So we're going to test it out and see what's different.
Yeah.
And we're also going to hit the trails for some running as well.
Heck yeah.
Let's get right into it.
Bumped it. Oh! Fence.
Because, I mean, really? This is a very unprepped surface.
Yeah, oh, super. Like, I haven't even tried it on it.
So we're out here running the brand new DR10.
Heck yeah.
So if you can see, there's lots of rocks. Very unprepped surface.
Very unprepped surface.
So we're out here testing the new DR10, and it does surprisingly well.
Yeah. Let's see what we can do.
Pretty darn good.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty darn good. Well, that's the end
Yeah.
of the full send drag racing.
Yeah. Man, I really like this car. I think it's a great starter drag car.
Honestly, much cheaper to buy the DR10 unless you want to convert a Slash to a drag car.
Yes.
If you want to convert a Slash with Bandit stuff, not really worth it anymore.
No.
I mean,
No.
honestly, keep it full width Slash. Rock any of the new DR10 bodies because they're very close to fitting
Yep.
a full width Slash. Go have fun.
Yeah.
That's my best advice. We still have people asking all the time about the URC builds that we were doing, and I think we're going to discontinue them for now.
Yeah.
We can still do it in the future,
Yeah.
but it's definitely not something that's
A high priority.
high priority.
Yeah.
No.
If someone really wants one built, we could probably figure that out for you. But we'll probably try to push it toward just picking up one of these awesome DR10s.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, I love this truck. I've put like 12 battery packs through it so far, and it's just been amazing.
It's a car.
Truck. It's a nice truck.
Well, I mean,
Convert it into a car.
It was a short course truck. Yeah, okay, fine. I'll give it to you.
It's a good car, you know?
It's a good car. Well, there you go.
Good truck, this
There
car.
you go. Well, I mean, honestly, like watching the footage of how it just drives straight out of the box, it's a super plush, very, very smooth suspension travel
yeah.
on it. And everything just seems to transfer properly with how
Yeah.
Associated has it laid out.
I've been really impressed. The nice thing is with the stock remote is you do get that DVS or something they call it. So you get that stability management, and that's adjustable on the receiver.
Yep.
But I've taken that out because I'm running a Spectrum DX5, so it's all scale for me.
I mean, it doesn't really look like you need much. The
No,
car just
well,
really
yeah,
hooks up and goes straight.
As long as you're easy off the line and don't get too much wheel spin going on, the cars usually take care of itself.
But there we go.
Yeah.
That's our opinion on the new DR10.
Okay.
So we did an unboxing video. If you didn't check that out, go check out the unboxing video and see everything that is included with it, bone stock from factory, and hopefully the running footage just proves to you that this is an awesome car.
Yeah.
So this is the end, though. This is the downside.
This is the end, yeah.
So don't forget to hit us up on all our social media platforms. Don't forget to check out Chris, RC Deebs, on his Instagram, his Facebook, as well as YouTube. Don't forget to check out our website,
UltraRCHobbies.com. Oh, I thought we were going to say it at the same time.
No, man, you just stole the thunder.
Oh, man.
Stole the
I thought
thunder.
we were going to do the same, and you just stopped?
No. You had it.
Oh,
You had a dial.
sorry.
She was mint.
Stole your thunder.
Stole my thunder. You want to finish it up, too?
No.
Oh, dang. Well, anyway, don't forget to check out the store on all our social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Hopefully you're watching this on YouTube or Facebook. And check out our Snapchat as well, UltraRC Hobbies. And thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. We really do appreciate it. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.